YouTube, it's Lauren here with my pink hanger. If you're not familiar with me or my channel, I am a reseller. I sell on primarily Poshmark, eBay, dabble in Mercari, but for the bulk it's Poshmark and eBay. As promised, I have a big haul from a new client. I used to do some consignment and I've gotten away from doing consignment, and now I'm just buying things and paying people cash directly for their items. So I have a great haul video, or I have a great haul here of like a bunch of Madewell, J. Crew, brands like that, and I'm just gonna go through and show you everything I got. So let's start with some shoes. A lot of things she still had the boxes for, which was like super awesome. Like had these still in the box, 6.5, like a sling back. These ones are actually brand new. Super cute. And then let's see what else. These J. Crew are just like a basic suede kitten heel, and these ones are not brand new, but they're in the box. So let's see, these are 6 Madewell, and they're suede and then leather. Super cute flats. Black leather Madewell flats, size 6.5. Everything is going to be a 6 or a 6.5. So if you're one of those sizes and interested in anything, just let me know. These are a 6, and they are like perfect for fall, like a rust orange color, all suede point toe flats. This is a pair of Cole Haan Ground Zero, so they're super soft and lightweight. Flats with a little kind of bow detail. They are leather, and I believe these ones are a 6. One more pair. I didn't buy all the shoes she had. She had good shoes. Eileen Fisher pair of little flats. These are perfect for fall too, like a maroon color. I feel like everything is perfect for this time of year that I picked up. And then I got 3 handbags. This is a fossil leather tan with the side pockets, just like a really cute, simple, basic bag. Same kind of nude, or not nude, I guess this is like a caramel. This one's a Banana Republic all leather bag. They're just in like really great shape. And then this is a black Kate Spade, and it has a ton of storage. It doesn't look super big, but it's really big and has a lot of pockets. Oh, this is fun. See? Oh, she still has the original Kate Spade paperwork, so that's awesome. And everything is like brand new, super clean. All of her stuff was beautiful. J. Crew pair of cutoffs, size 27 shorts. It's probably the most summery thing I bought. Some great denim. Madewell. These are the slim straight, size 26. Really cute pair of pants, or jeans I should say. And then there were 2 Everlane, one denim. What was I gonna say? These ones are 27s. And they are the high rise. And then there's another pair of these in black denim as well. So the same, size 27, Everlane in black denim. So those were awesome finds. Let's do some of the jackets for fall and winter. This is like a J. Crew puffer, size small, zipper pockets. Very cute maroon color. She had a lot of puffers. This is a cute, it's not reversible, I don't think. Let's see. No, it's not reversible, but it's navy on the inside and a light blue pockets. And this one is a J. Crew, size small as well. Fun puffer vest, and this, I think this is my favorite of the puffers. This one is J. Crew as well. It does have a detachable hood. This is like thicker, and it's a bright orange color. It's a really fun color, size small. J. Crew. Looks super warm, and again that hood does come off, so that's a fun, it's super soft too, fun piece for winter, fall winter coming up. Let's just start digging in here. Lafleur, I can never say this, Lafleur, Lafleur. If you know how to say it, tell me. But this is like a really cute crop sweater, size small. If I weren't pregnant, I'd maybe want to keep that for myself. And maybe I will. This is just a Madewell, really cute top. This would be really cute with a pair of high-waisted pants, size small, white blouse. 2 new tags J. Crew sweaters, size mediums. Oh no, sorry, one's a medium and one's a small. I have them in gray and navy, and they're just like your basic Crew. I guess it's kind of a mix between a Crew and a Scoop long sleeve sweaters. So those are actually both new at tags. This is some brand I don't know of. It's written in Chinese or a different language, and it's just like a white dress. I actually bought this one specifically because I want to try it on to see if it might work for my maternity photo shoot. So that's actually why I bought that, is for me. This is just a J. Crew blouse. I like the pattern. It ties at the back of the neck. It's a size 6. Perfect for work or for like a casual dress. She had some really pretty dresses. This dress is brand new. Well, I guess the tag's out, but it has just the little plastic tag part. It's a size 2, and it's like a cream off-white cap sleeve lace dress. It's really pretty. That one's probably more spring, summer, but can't always buy in season. This is new with tags. It is a size 4 petite, and it's a navy blue J. Crew wrap dress. It's cute. It has a tie on the side right here. It's very cute. It's beautiful, actually. It always surprises me what people have new with tags, because I'm like, oh, that's so nice. But you know, I get it. If we don't like something or don't have the occasion, we don't wear it. This is a size 4 J. Crew yellow dress. Pretty. Let's see what this is. This is an Lafleur. I don't know how to say this, and I'm so sorry I'm butchering it, but this is like a cardigan, like kind of a pullover, really lightweight cardigan with slits on the side. Super cute. It's honestly like brand new, and that's a size small as well. This is a dress. This is new with tags, actually. This is the Lafleur. I'm butchering it, I know, sorry, and I'm gonna do it the whole video, so bear with me. It's a 3/4 length sleeve black dress, short dress with pockets and a belt. Super cute. I can't believe that's brand new. I don't know how much that is retail. It doesn't have the retail price on it, but does it? No, it doesn't. But it's gorgeous. Oh, I bought this. It's super cute. I bought this for the style, not the brand. This is that, believe it's some sort of Asian brand. And I just thought this was cute for fall, like with a chunky sweater over it, wear it as a dress, like a long dress with a boot. I just thought that would be super cute, and I might even be able to wear that once while I still have my pregnancy belly. Let's see what this is. T-shirt, again, the Lafleur. It is a small, and it's just a button-up, kind of loose-fitting gray collared tee. This is a J. Crew jacket. It's a size 4. It is navy and black, so it kind of has like a, not two-tone, I want to say it's almost like a blazer or like a moto jacket button-up. And it's got a little bit of like the pillowing detail. That jacket is pretty. What is this? This is an Ann Taylor factory black dress, no pockets, cap sleeve. I thought I might send this to ThreadUp because it is new with tags and it has a $109 price tag on it. I'm not familiar with this brand, Suzanne by Morgan somebody. it just looked expensive and it was a size 36, and sometimes when things are in sizes like that. So I picked it up. It's lace, black, size 36. This is the brand. Let me see. There you can see it. I have to research that one and figure out if I'm going to list that or send that in to ThreadUp or where that's going to go. Alright, the last little piece, I just want to get that out of the way. J. Crew 365 blazer. It is a 4 petite, a navy blue. Again, all of this stuff is just, it's almost like brand new, gorgeous condition. These last 2 pieces are the Lafleur, and Lafleur. I'm gonna butcher the name, so both of these last 2 pieces are this brand. This is just like a blouse. It's like yellow and orange, kind of geographic, fully lined blouse. And then this is a maroon size 2 dress. And it is a, I guess you would consider that a 3/4 length sleeve, but it's really like 2/3. And just like perfect dress. It's the same as that black one, but it's in maroon, and this one has pockets as well. So it's gorgeous. So that was my haul. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think I scored and got a ton of great stuff. I am excited to get a lot of this listed, especially because the bulk of it is like current season, or you know, fall winter, so I need to get it listed so I can get it sold. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. Please like and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I would appreciate it if you liked what you saw. Thank you.